Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you're able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started with today's session, where I'm going to show you how to automate the remaining test cases of the login functionality. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So I'll launch Eclipse IDE and we'll start automating the remaining test cases in the login functionality now. Okay, so let's go here. Let the Eclipse IDE launch. Okay, let's expand this project. Go to src test Java test package. In that, I'll go to the login.java. And here we have automated till the 16th one. Let's automate the next one. I'll also open the Excel file here containing the test cases of the login functionality. Go to the login here. We automated till 16. What about 17 and 18, guys? What about 17 and 18 test cases? Can we automate? We cannot automate. So tell me, is it compulsory for us to automate each and every test cases? Each and every test case, do we have to automate? Is it really compulsory? The answer is no, guys. It's not compulsory to automate every test case. Some test cases will be something like that which you cannot automate. Okay, they won't be possible to automate. Okay, the examples for such kind of test cases which cannot be automated are the 17 and 18. Let me explain you. So verify logging into the application, closing the browser without logging out and opening the application in the browser again. Okay, so we need to open the application URL in the browser. We have to open the application URL like this. Once I open the application URL like this, what I have to do? I need to click on My Account drop menu and then select Login option. I'll be taken to the login page. Then I need to enter valid email address and valid password. This valid email address and valid password I am entering. Clicking on the login button. And then I need to close the browser. You see now the current session is in logged in state. You see logout options are coming, means the user got logged in. Now I'll close this. Once I close this and open the browser and open the application URL again. When I open the application URL again, you see the user is still in logged in state. Logged in session should still be maintained and user should not get logged out. Is it happening, guys? Manually, if I'm testing, is it happening? Is it happening? Is a uh, is the user still logged in, right? Even after closing the browser, also the user state is still logged in. This I can do manually. Can you do this automation wise? Using Selenium automation, I cannot do this because every time once you close the browser, the session is done in Selenium automation. Again, when you open the browser, it will open a brand new session for you. Okay, it will not open the last session for you. So in Selenium automation, you cannot continue the session once you close the browser. Okay, once you close the browser, the session will be terminated. Again, when you open the browser again, it will be a brand new session. So you try it out, guys. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, once you close the browser, the things are done. So this test case can be done manually, but not using Selenium automation, guys. Using Selenium automation, we cannot perform that. Once you close the browser, the things are gone. Similarly, verify timeout of the login session. Okay, we need to open the application URL. Okay, and we have to log in and we have to wait for 30 minutes without performing anything on the application. Okay, do you really think that we have to use this as an automation thing where you don't perform any operation on the application for 30 minutes and this will waste a lot of time for you because other automation scripts will get delayed because of this particular thing. For this particular automation test, you have to wait for 30 minutes and why to waste so much of time? Okay, rather you can do it manually or do in a different machine. It's better to save the time rather than going with automation. With that purpose, I'll not prefer this test cases also to be automated. Okay, so these two test cases I don't prefer to automate, guys. And also in real time, it's not compulsory for you to automate all the test cases. There will be some kind of test cases which won't be possible for you to automate and which are not advised to be automated. Okay. There are two reasons for the test case not to be automated. One is which cannot be automated. Other thing is which can be automated, but it's not a good decision to automate. Okay. So the 18th one is like we can automate, but it's not a good decision. 17th one is something like we cannot automate. Okay. So with that reason, I'm just skipping 17, 18. Clear, right? Everyone clear, right? Why I'm skipping 17 and 18 from automating? Is everyone clear with this? Why we are ignoring this 17 and 18 from automation? That's great. Okay. So this is also a learning, guys. This is also a learning that every test cases cannot be automated. Okay. There will be some kind of test cases that cannot be automated. Okay. That can't be automated. We should be accepting that. Okay. So don't be too ideal like I will automate every test case of the application. That's not correct. Okay. Fine. So next thing here is we'll directly go to the 19th test case because of that so and so reasons. Verify user is able to navigate to different pages from the login page. So this kind of thing we already have automated in the register.java. Verify user is able to navigate to different application pages. Let's go to the one of the test cases that I have automated in the register.java here. Let's find out that one. Verify register account page navigations. Okay, we are here navigating to several pages here. You see a lot of pages I have navigated to and verified. Okay, so the same process I am going to follow here also. Okay, the same process, whatever the way I have automated this 23rd test in the register account functionality, the same thing I'm going to do from the login functionality. So anyhow, void public void verify verify register account page navigations here. Verify login page navigations. Okay, page navigations. Like this, I'll create a method, guys. Like this, I'll create a method, and here write down at the rate test, at the rate test, and say priority is equal to 17. Priority is equal to 17. Okay. Then here we have to say we already have navigated to the login page here in the before method itself. In the before method itself, we got this login page. We have already have navigated to the login page. What I have to do next? Once I navigate to the login page, okay, I'll just log out here. I'll go open the application URL. Once I open the application URL, I have already clicked on my account and select login option in the before annotated method, setup method. Once I come to the login page, I have to verify whether I will be able to navigate to different pages from this login page. Okay. So what are the different pages I need to navigate? We'll just take a reference from the register.java, guys. We'll just have this register.java here. Okay. So on the left side, I'll put register.java, and here you see I'm going to get the header options and navigate to different pages like contact us page. Then we'll be navigating to heart icon. I'm going to click on select wish list. Okay, one by one. Okay, the same things I'm going to do here. So here I'll say login page dot get header options. Okay, get header options. I'll get the header options here because from the header options from the login page, from this header options, I have to perform this. I have to click on this phone icon and all those stuff. Okay, so here I'll say header options. Header options is equal to. Okay, next. For the first one, I am going to automate here in the select heart here in the header options. I need to select the phone icon option. This phone icon option I need to select. Okay. So here I'll simply say header options dot select phone icon option. Okay. Select phone icon option. Hold the mouse on this phone icon option and say contact us. It will take you to the which page? Contact us page. Here also you see it has written you the object reference of the contact us page. Okay. I'll say contact us page. Contact us page is equal to. Okay. So is that, yeah, contact us page. I'll go to the base.java and I'm declaring all these things here, right? So here contact us page is already there. So I don't have to declare it again. Yeah, here it is already there. It's inherited by this child classes. So that's okay. Fine. Next, once you go to the contact us page, you see once you click on this phone icon and navigate to the contact us page, I have to navigate back again. I have to verify that, I have navigated to this contact us page or not. How to verify that I have navigated to the contact us page using the assertion I have to say. Okay. You can copy paste this one if you want. Okay. Asset true. Get page title. Already the code has been written. Why I have to waste my time? Okay. This kind of implementation is already there. Why to waste the time? Most of the things will be repeated here in the script. Okay. This was already done as part of the register account functionality. Here I'm just checking whether I have navigated to the contact us page. Once I have done that, okay, I'll navigate back. Okay, I'll navigate back from the to the previous page. That is, I'll come back to the login page. Okay, once the verification of the contact us page is done, I'm just navigating back here. Then I have to go with the next one. What is the next one that is going to happen here? Just to make the things faster, right? I'm doing this, okay? Then again, header options dot select heart icon, I can say. Header options dot select heart icon option. Hold the mouse on this. Once I am on the login page, I'm selecting this heart icon option and login page will come. So here when I click on this from the login page, if I click on the heart icon here, I'll be taken to the same login page only, okay? I'll be getting the login page only. Whether I am not on the login page or not, I need to verify. How to verify that I am on the login page? Copy this. Okay, do this. That's it. Paste it. I don't have to think much here. Already assert statements are ready in the previous automated thing. Again, I don't have to navigate back because I'm on the same login page. Since I'm on the same login page, do I have to navigate back here? Is it really required? If you navigate back also, you're on the login page only. But is it really required? Not required. You're already there on the login page. You can stop there. Okay. Next. Next one is what? Next thing is wish list option. We need to select the wish list option. After this one, you have to click on the wish list option. Again, you will be taken to the same login page only. Okay. So here you can copy these things, guys. Okay. You don't have to do the things again and again. Okay. Copy this and you'll be still there on the login page only here. Once you click on this wish list also, you'll be there on the login page. You'll verify that you are on the login page and you don't have to navigate back because you're already there in the login page. Okay. Next one, select shopping cart icon. Here I'm going to click on the shopping cart icon using this option. I'm going to verify whether, and then copy this. Just give me a second. Just copy this. You see, most of the things are copy paste, guys. What if I click on the shopping cart icon? I'll be taken to the shopping cart page. Okay. After I have to navigate back, right? After assertion, I have to navigate back. I'll just give this thing here. Okay. Like this, done. Okay. This will be done. Okay. Then I have to, once I go there, I'll just verify that I have navigated to shopping cart page. I'll navigate back to come to back to the login page. Once that is done, icon is done, option is now. Okay. I have to click on the shopping cart option so that I'll be taken to again which page. I'll be taken to shopping cart page again. Okay. So copy these things and three things you have to copy paste, guys. Okay. Just blindly copy paste these three things. Okay. It will be done. Most of the things are copy paste now. I don't have to
Line
work
number
much here.
233, I think we need our driver is in the shopping cart page. Line number 233.
Two
Two,
double three.
sorry, 233. Yes, yes.
Two double three.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Contact us page dot get driver. I think our driver is on the
Okay.
shopping cart page, right?
Yes, yes, correct. You can give that. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes, yes. Maybe I copy pasted somewhere and it
Yes,
repeated
yes.
there, right? What about in the restarted Java? We did the same thing here also because I copy pasted from there, right? Anywhere copy contact. I think yeah, contact us page. I think it's correct only here, right? There only there is a problem. Okay, fine. Yeah, correct. Yeah, it's better to give shopping cart dot get driver only. Okay, fine. Then next one. This is fine, right? Then after updating, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, select shopping cart icon option. Shopping cart option is done. Then select checkout icon. Let's click on the again navigating back and checkout icon. Once I click on checkout icon, I will be taken to shopping cart page only. So just copy paste it. There is nothing to be done here. Okay. This is same. This is same. These two things will be same. Okay. For now, this icon and options. Navigate back again. Click on the checkout option. Verify that. Navigate back. Okay. Done. Those things are also done. Next one. This part is done. Then select logo. So once I'm on the login page, I'm clicking on the logo. I should be taken to the landing page. So for that, header options dot select logo. That's fine. And here I'm verifying that. Okay. Then navigating back. This is also fine. So this one I need to copy paste as it is. Most of the things are repeated, guys. Okay. Just have to apply the brain. That's it. Okay. Navigate back so that will come to the login page. Then click on search button. Again, after coming that, I'm going to click on the search button. I'll be taken to the search page. I have to verifying that whether I have navigated to search page. Then again, navigating back from the search page to the login page. Copy this. Just copy paste. You don't have to do much. Next. Next one is what? Home breadcrumb option. after going that home breadcrumb option, this one, click on this. Again, you are taken to the same thing. Okay, we have to verify that and navigate back. Definitely, it's required to navigate back. Okay, so done. Next one, select account breadcrumb option with login. This something needs some modification here. So what about the here? What is there here? Account breadcrumb is there though. Letter options dot select account breadcrumb option with without login. What is this actually? Account breadcrumb. Just go here. What is the breadcrumb here? Text account. I think is it working here? Let's find it out. I feel that it will work here. Right click here, inspect and say select something and say Control F, Control V. Is it locating the account breadcrumb? Yes, it's working. Then so what if we click on that account breadcrumb? Then whether what is happening? Let's see. Here, if I click on the account breadcrumb, where I am taken to the same login page I am taken. So here, when I click on that account breadcrumb option without login, I have to be taken to the login page only. I don't have to navigate back because I'm on the login page. Why to navigate back if I'm on the login page here? Here it was register account page, so I have to navigate back to come back to the register account page. But here, when I click on that, you are on the login page only. Why there is no need of navigating back. So wherever there is navigate back needed, you use it. Otherwise, you don't have to use it. Okay, that's the thing. Next one. Here select register breadcrumb option is there, but we don't have the register breadcrumb option. Here we have the login breadcrumb option. Okay. The difference is there. If you click on that login, you'll be again taken to the login page only. So I'll copy this, but I'll navigate back also. I'll just copy this. No need to navigate back basically. Uh, because I'll be on the register page on here. Have to say login page dot select login breadcrumb option dot. I don't know whether this is there or not. Select login. It's not there. Okay, on the login page. So go to that page classes. Go to the login page. From the login page, we don't have that web element. That is private web element. What about here in the register.java earlier? Here account breadcrumb. I am saying better options dot select account breadcrumb option. That's okay. Hmm. But here register page dot select register breadcrumb option. It is saying okay. Fine. So I'll go to the login page now, and the login page I'll create that web element that is login breadcrumb option. It's not there. Breadcrumb option is not there so far. Login breadcrumb is there now already. I don't have to write again. Already login breadcrumb is there. I need to perform click operation on that. Okay. Earlier, what is that I'm doing on the login breadcrumb here? Is displayed or not? I'm checking. Did we navigate to the login page only? For that we have used. But this time I'm going to use login breadcrumb for a different reason. I want to click on that. Public void. Select login breadcrumb option. Select login breadcrumb option, and here I'll say dot click. So yeah, earlier select breadcrumb register page is coming back. Here also I need to return the object of the login page. Return new login page. Then pass the driver here. Return type should be login page. Now save this. Now save this and here write down login page dot select login breadcrumb option, and the return type will be login page only. Here login page should be the return type login page. And now say login page dot get driver here. And here this should not be register account get page title. What I have to verify here, so that I have to verify that I have navigated to the login page. This is the one. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay, I don't have to navigate back here. That's okay. So select login breadcrumb. I'll be there on the login page only. I don't have to navigate back. What is the next one then? Save all. Then Select login page option. Okay. What is this? Register page dot. There was an option on that, but here we don't have that. Okay. Till here it is done. Now we have to perform different things, like we have to click on the continue button here. We should be taken to the register page. Okay. We need to click on the continue button here on the login page. How to click on the continue button? Instead of that, we have to click on the continue button. Here we are selecting the login page option, but we have to select the continue button. Okay. So here I'm going to write down login page, dot click on continue button. Okay. Continue button. Already method is there. Hover the mouse on this, it will return you the object reference of the register page, because we will be navigated to the register page. How to verify that we have got navigated to the register page here? Already here some methods will be there. We can take that. This is the one. Okay. Register account page. Okay. So we have to verify like this. Just copy paste this statement. That will be okay. Okay. As get title register page dot get driver register account. Then I have to navigate back to the login page. Then I have to navigate back to the login page. So here, when I click on the continue button, I will be taken to the register account page. After verifying that we have whether we have navigated to the register account page, I have to navigate back. That I'll come back to the register account page. Done. Okay. Where is that register dot Java? Got closed. This is done. This. Okay. Now, is there any other thing I can perform the operation on? I can click on the forgotten password link. Okay. I can click on the forgotten password link here. That is so here I have to say register page dot get driver. Okay. That's one thing I can modify. Here I'm doing the same thing, right? Shopping cart. Okay. Everything is good. So here I just need to say register page dot get driver and navigate back. Fine. Then I'll come to the login page. That's okay. But here I need to say I have to click on the forgotten password. That is login page. Login page dot click on forgotten password link. This will return you the object reference of the forgotten password page. Forgotten password page is equal to. Then what is the next thing that I have to do? Forgotten password page is equal to. I'll click on that and I'll be taken to which page? Forgotten password page. I have to verify whether I have navigated to the forgotten password page or not. So for that to happen, how can I verify? Is there any forgotten password page option here? Yes. So I'll open that forgotten password page to see. Did we navigate to the forgotten password page already? The thing is there. We can say asset.assetRow and call this method. It will be done. Simple. Okay. So what I will do here is, uh, yeah, give me a second. Login.java. Here I'll simply say asset.asset.true forgotten password page dot did we navigate to the forgotten password page. Done. Then after verifying that, I'll just browse back so that I'll be taken to the login page again. So for that, navigate back. Here I'll say forgotten page dot get driver. I'll say that will be done. Okay. Next. What is the next item? Save this. What is the next item that I have to do? I have to click on the login button. If I click on the login button, I'll be there on the same login page only. So for that, login page dot click on login button. Okay. And here I'll verify whether I'm the login page only, because without credentials, I'm clicking on the login button. So I don't have to navigate back, navigate back or do something here. Don't have to do this. Okay. If you're on this, that's okay. You can still perform, or you can, this error is not going. That's okay. The next one here is we have to click on this right column options one by one. How to click on the right column options one by one? First one is what? Click on login option. So here login page dot get right column options. Okay. 1 minute. The register page have written login page dot get right column options. Huh? Okay. Is it correct? Right register page dot get right column options. That is the correct one. Right column options and all those stuff. Yeah, you may be on that page. That's okay. You can write that. That's not a big deal. You can also put login page also, not a problem. Because you are on the register page here, that doesn't matter. Okay. Fine. Here in the login page, I'll just copy paste these things. All these right column options. Click on register option. Click on my account option. All these are the right column options only. Copy all this. Go to this and paste it here. Okay. So here I have to modify all the right column options related things. This one is done. Click on. Okay. Right column options, right column options. From this heat started. Here I'll say login page dot get right column options. Right column options have come. Dot click on login option. Will be taken to the login page. We'll verify whether, I'll just click on this login option and if I am on the login page, I don't have to navigate back. I'll remove this part. Okay. Next thing is that I need to say right column options dot click on register option. Click on register option. I'll be taken to the register account page. I'll verify that whether I have navigated the register account page. Then I have to navigate back. I'll just copy this and give register page dot get driver. Okay. That's fine. This is also done. Once I navigate it back, then I need to click on the forgotten password. I'll be taken to the forgotten right column options dot click on forgotten password page. Verify that, navigate back to the login page. After verifying this, come back and then click on the my account. Then you're clicking on the my account option, verifying that once you're on the login page only when you click on the my account. So you don't have to navigate back here. Remove this line. The next one, right column options dot click on address book. Again, the same thing. You can remove this navigate back option. You are on the login page only. Click on wish list. Again, you're on the login page. You don't have to navigate back. Remove this line. Then click on the order history. Login page only. Don't have to navigate back. Downloads option. Login page only. Don't have to navigate back. Then click on recurring payments option. Login page only. Don't have to navigate back. Then click on reward points option. Reward point option. Same thing. Don't have to navigate back. Returns option. Same login page only. Don't have to navigate back. The next one is click on transactions option. Again on the same login page only. Don't have to navigate back. Then click on newsletter option. Same thing. Don't have to navigate back. So till here, right column options are completed, guys. Then we still have the footer options left out. So all that are also, we have written the automation code in the previous script test case of this register account functionality. I'll copy all these things and go here. Just a copy paste thing, right? Just modify something which is not really in terms, okay? So till right column options we have automated. So now login page dot get footer options dot select about us option. Once you say about us, you see from the login page, you'll be taken to the about us page. I have to navigate back. Once I navigate back, then again footer options dot deliver information. Click on that. Again navigate back. Privacy policy option. Privacy policy option. Navigate back. Done. Select terms and conditions option. Terms and conditions option. Navigate back. Okay. Then select contact us option. Once coming here, navigate back. Yes. Then returns option. Product returns page and then navigate back. Yes. Then next one, sitemap option, sitemap page and navigate back. Brands option, went to this page and navigate back. The next one is gift certificates option. Just check one by one, okay? Just navigate back. Then affiliate option, affiliate login page. There is affiliate option, affiliate program page, affiliate program, yeah. Get driver, navigate back. Specials option, then navigate back and specials option. Then the special offers page, then navigate back. Then select order, what is the next one? Select my account option, my account option. I'm on the login page only for my account option. For that, I don't have to navigate back. Here, I have to remove the navigate back option, okay? Select order history option. Select order history option. I'm on the account logout page only, so I don't have to navigate back. Wishlist option. Again on the login page only. I don't have to navigate back. Newsletter option. Login page only. I don't have to navigate back. So like this, I have done some modifications. Most of things are repeated, but the automation was very fast because of I was able to copy paste. Okay. Earlier, if you remember, I have took a lot of time for automating this particular test, but now you see, it's all about repetition. So I don't have to do much here. Okay. I'll just keep only login.java here and run this particular test to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay. Verify login page navigations. So all the pages on the page. You see all the links on the page are getting navigated. You see that has got passed. That is got finally passed, guys. Save this. Now next test case. So we have successfully automated the test case in no time because of we already have automated in the register account functionality. So we have to be smart, guys. We have to be smart. Always we have to don't have to start from scratch. We have a reference that we can copy paste. We'll copy paste to save the time. Okay, while automation. Now verify the different ways of navigating to the login page. Okay, what are the different ways of coming to the login page? Okay, there are different ways like verify all the below ways of navigating to the login page. You can first way of navigating is like when once you're on the home page, the first way of navigating is click on my account and select login option. That is the first way. Second way is that click on the login option from the right column options. This is already verified though, but select login option from the my account drop menu. Okay. Already this is done, right? Click on the login page in the register account. Okay, login page link in the go to the register page link and click on the login page. Okay, then login page and here and my account and login. Three items. Okay, we have to verify the three items. But there, we have verified already we have automated this indirectly. Okay, because every test we are selecting the login page and going to the register account page, but still we have to, okay, verify means we can do that. That's not a big deal. I'll create a method here, public void, verify, navigate different ways, different ways of navigating to login page. Like this, I'll create a method and write down at the rate test annotation. Okay, priority is equal to here priority is equal to 17 is there. Now priority is equal to 18. Save this. Okay, verify user is able to navigate verify different ways of navigating to the login page. Uh, so already in the before setup method, we are doing the same thing, right? We are clicking on my account drop menu and select login option. We are coming to the login page. Okay, we just need to verify whether we are on the login page or not. That's it. Okay. So here I'll write assert true login page. dot did we navigate to the login page or not? Okay. Did we navigate to the login page or not? I'll verify. Okay. So here I'll simply write down my account and then already this is done. Second thing that I have to do is I need to go to the register account page and or I need to select this login option from here. This is the easiest way, right? I need to get the right column options here. How to get the right column options? Login page dot get right column options. So here I'll simply say right column options is equal to, then I'll simply say right column options dot click on login option. So in the right column options, I'll try to click on the login option. I'll be if I am there on the login page, I'm good to go. I'll simply copy paste this line asset dot asset true. Did we navigate to the login page? That is also done. What is the next thing? After that is done, then I'll click on the continue button here so that I'll be taken to the register account page. From that, I'm going to click on this login page link. Okay. So I'll simply say login page dot click on continue button. This will take me to the register page. Register page. Once I go to the register page, I'll simply say register page dot click on or select login page option. Here, login page option I am going to select so that I'll come to the login page and here I'll do the assertion. Put a semicolon here and write down login. Here, login page will be the return type. I'll say login page is equal to and then login page dot did we navigate to the login page. Done. So the text is automated, guys. Okay, how fast we have automated, you can see that, right? All things are ready. You don't have to spend so much of time. Run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Two tests completed now. Okay, three ways of verifying whether we are able to navigating to the login page from different pages of the application. Okay, that's done. Let's go and automate the 21st test case. Verify the breadcrumb, page heading, page title, page URL of the login page. Okay. So already we can take this as a reference, guys. Already we have automated such kind of thing in the register account page. So we don't have to break our head anymore. This is similar to this we are going to automate. Okay. Here in the register page, how did we automate? The same we are going to automate here. Public void verify login account page, login page breadcrumb title. I'll just copy this names and then paste it here. Verify login page, verify login page, breadcrumb URL title heading. Okay, like this I'll write. And here I'll write down, save this. And here I'll write down verify login page, breadcrumb URL title heading. So here I'm going to write down how to do this. I'm going to verify this. Okay. So already from the before setup method only, before method annotated setup method only, we are on the login page now. So I'm going to verify the title of the page first. Okay. I want to verify the title of the page. How to verify the title of the page? Let's see. 1 minute. Yeah, here already we are verifying the title of the page only, right? Asset.asset equals get page title, login page dot get driver, account login. Okay. So here we are verifying the title of the page. Okay. I copy pasted that. Okay. So once we verified the title of the page, what is the next thing that I need to do here? Second thing that we are doing here is title is done. Then URL of the page. Okay. Copy these things. Otherwise, copy these things and modify them according to your needs here. Here, get page URL of login page. Okay. And then prop.get property URL and here login page URL. Okay. Login page URL. Copy this login page URL and see if the login page URL is available there in the properties file. Just go to the SRC test resources and go to the properties file and see. Here reset page URL is there, login page URL is not there. Okay. I'll simply write login page URL is equal to, okay, not hard code, rather I'll provide the login page URL here. So here I'll give the login page URL. So here if I go from this to here, this is the login page URL, copy this and paste it here. Okay. If the URL matches, we are good to go. Okay. That is expected. This is expected login page URL, let's say. Okay. So copy this login page URL and here write down login page URL. That's it. Okay. If that the page URL matches with the login page URL, that is expected login page URL, we are good to go. Then here we have to verify that breadcrumb related stuff. Okay. This is a breadcrumb. Okay. We are verifying the breadcrumb. So for the breadcrumb also, I'll write login page dot did we navigate to the login page? Because in this particular method, we are only verifying the breadcrumb only. You see, login breadcrumb is coming or not, we are verifying. So indirectly it is done. The next thing is heading. Login page dot get page heading. Okay. What is this get page heading? We are going to get the text of the page heading here. The root page it is there. So the same heading, in the login page, what is the page heading? Okay. In the login, there is a different headings. You see, new customer and returning customer headings are there. Which heading it will take? We have to see. View page source. I'll use this locator here. Copy this H1 heading and say Control F, Control V. Is there any heading coming? It's not working. Okay. The heading is not working here. I'll inspect this. Here H2 tag is there. Returning customer is there. Inspect this. Here also another heading. Two headings are there here. Whereas in the register page, if you see, there is only one register account page heading. But if you go to the login page, there is no one heading. There are new customer and registered customer headings which are different. Kind of, so we have to follow a different process here. Okay, so we have to follow a different process here. I'm going to write down here asset equals. So I cannot say login page dot get page heading. I'll say get first heading or something like that. Okay, login page dot okay, get first heading. Like this, I'll create a method and I'll verify that it's matching with the new customer or not. Okay, I'll verify that it's matching with the new customer or not. Second thing is I didn't create this method yet, but I'm going to create get second heading. Get second heading, I'll say second heading. Get second heading, I'll simply say the second heading returning customer should be the heading. Okay, returning customer should be the heading. Okay, so fine. Here, how to get this first heading and second heading? I'm going to create the methods here. I'll copy this method and go to the login page. In that, I'm going to create a method here, public void get page heading. And here, to get the first page heading, I have to inspect this new customer and H2 tag is there under ID content, under ID content. Control F double forward slash div at the rate ID is equal to content. Under the ID content, we have this H2 heading double forward slash H2. Two elements are coming, you see, 1 and 2, returning customer and all. Okay. So earlier in the register page, page heading has which type of element we'll see. H1 is there in this. Okay. Here H2 is there. Okay. H2 is there. Here H1 and there H2. Okay. Fine then. So what I will do here is H2 of circular bracket, then I'll say 1. This will locate the new customer. Copy this and go here and go to the login page here and create the web element here. That is private web element. Okay. First heading. I'll write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression of the first page heading and say first page heading dot get text and say return I'll say 1 minute. I'm doing something here. Here everywhere I'm using element utility. Somewhere I'm directly clicking on the forgotten password. Click link. Okay. So here, give me a second, guys. Uh, okay, 1 minute. Here I'm going to write down first heading. Sorry, element utilities dot element utilities dot get element text. Which element text? First heading element text. Okay, like this I need to write. And here I have to say return. Okay, here implementation is already there internally. Okay, here string will be there. Okay, that's one thing. Second thing, public string get second heading method I'll create. And here I'll write down private web element second heading. And here write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to Here I'll give two here so that it will take the second heading, that is returning customer heading. Copy this and here in double quotes paste it, and here you have to write here, instead of first heading you give second heading. Okay. Similarly, I have to do some modifications here. Login breadcrumb dot click I am writing. Instead of that, I have to say element utilities dot click on element. Which element? Login pay breadcrumb. Okay. I have to give this. You have to remove this line. Okay. So anywhere I'm not using element utilities, I'm going to implement that. Okay. Element utilities dot click on element, and here forgotten password link. This one should be removed. Okay. The next one, anywhere I'm not using element utilities, I have to modify that. I think I have successfully modified the stuff. Now save this and go to the, yeah, here, go to this web page heading. I'm using element utilities. You can see get element text. Okay, fine. That's great. But in the login page, I was not using. I did that. So I'll go to the login.java here and simply write down dot get first heading. Here I'll say dot get second heading. Save this and here write down at the rate test. Priority is equal to 19. Save this. Okay, so here account login page URL, breadcrumb, headings, everything is being verified, guys, one by one. I think we are good to go. Let's run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Is it working fine or not? The test case. Let's see. Yeah, the test is working fine. Everything is good. So no need to do much here. Okay, let's go to the login.java again and let's automate the next one. Next one is verify the UI of the login page. Okay, verify the. So if you have to go very depth, right, it will take a lot of time, guys. So we are depending on the screenshot here, screenshot mechanism to verify this, rather than checking each and everything about the UI of the login page. We are simply depending on the screenshot part here. How we have automated is already there in the solution, is already there in the register.java. We are going to follow the similar kind of solution here. Verify login account page, account UI, like that. We are going to create the exchange test method here. Okay, public void verify verify uh, login UI. Okay, verify login UI. Login UI. Verify login UI, like this you write, and here write down at the rate test. So you can simply say verify login page UI. Okay, and here priority is equal to 20. Once that is done, how to check the login page UI? Same way, the same logic I have written here, the same thing I am going to do. If the browser, just copy this solution, guys, copy this solution. You don't have to think much here. Just copy the solution. Okay. Here write down if browser name dot equals Chrome, browser dot equals ignore case Edge, or in that case, common utilities dot take screenshot of driver and system dot get property user dot dir screenshots actual login page UI dot png. Okay. First, for the first time, I have to say expected login page. After that, I have to change it to actual. Okay. Expected. Just copy this and give that here. And here write down actual login page UI, which is not there. What is the error that is coming here? Ignore the exception, or what is that? We have ignored the exception. Yes, we have ignored the exception. The hover the mouse. For now, we'll ignore the exception. Yeah, the errors are gone. First, we'll get the expected, and this will fail for the first time. That, but after getting the expected, we'll put here actual. Okay. Then the next one here is actual Firefox login page UI will be there, and here I'll simply change it to expected. Copy this, paste it here, and here. Uh, okay. Copy this, paste it here, and simply change it to actual. I think this should work. Let's try on different browsers here: Chrome browser, Firefox browser, and Edge browser. Let's see whether that will work or not. First, we have to get the expected. So it will run in the Chrome browser first. It will take a screenshot. And once you get that, it will take a screenshot. It will fail though. For the first time, it will change. Can't read the input file and all those things will come. So the second thing that I'm going to do here is once we got the expected screenshot, I will change it to actual. Actual, okay. Then here also actual. Yeah, let's save this. Sorry, this is also expected for now because I have to run in the Firefox browser. That is not done it. Okay, let's run it again for the Chrome browser. Let's see whether it is working fine or not. After changing to actual, it is working fine or not. Let's see. You see the test is passing now. That is working fine for the Chrome browser now. So I'll just go to the properties file and change the Chrome to the Edge here and save this and run the things for the Edge browser here. The same screenshot anyhow. So run the thing. Should work for the Edge browser. If it is done, we can go for the Firefox browser next. It's failing for the Edge browser. Okay, that means here I'll write down else if browser name dot equals to Edge, then copy this and paste it here and write down expected Edge. Sorry. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Yeah, this is fine only. So I have to do the changes in the login.java instead. Okay. Else if browser name dot equals Edge, then copy this and paste it here. Then write down expected Edge login page UI. Copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here and say actual. Okay, now save this. For the first time it will fail though for the first time. On the Edge browser it will fail though, but second time onwards it should work for us. Yeah, it's failing for the first time, that's okay. Second time, what I'm going to do here is login.java. I'm going to change it to actual and it should work.
But
Save
in
this.
in first, if didn't remove that edge one,
Yeah, we'll see that. Still not working in the Edge browser. Expected false but found true is coming.
in first if condition, we have
Which
written
one?
or
Yeah.
condition.
Oh, okay. This part,
This
right? Yes, correct. You are right. Save this. So I have to change it to expected then.
yes,
Save this and run this again. First time it will fail. Then it will take the screenshot. Then go here and then change it to actual. This time it should work, right? Yeah.
yes.
Let's see that. Yeah, it's now working. Again, I'll change it to Chrome. In Edge browser, it is working. I'll change it to Chrome to see whether it is still working or not. Go to the login.java and here run the test to see whether it is working in the Chrome. It should work for the Chrome browser. Working. Only for the Firefox browser, I need to check. I'll go to the properties file and change it to Firefox browser. Save this. Then go to the login.java. And here for Firefox browser, here expected is there for the first time. It is going to fail for the first time. Yeah, next time when I'm running, here I'm going to change to actual, and from here it should work fine. Run this, the Firefox browser, also it should work fine now. It's working fine now. Again, I'll change the things to the Chrome browser here, and everything is working fine so far. The test is done. We have successfully automated the test now. Okay. Now, the next one, verify login functionality in all supported environments, which is kind of very easy. Okay, we can do that. So, okay, the same test we have to write here. Open the application, click on My Account drop down, click on Login option. Public void, verify login in all environments. Okay, login in all environments. And here write down at the rate test priority is equal to next priority, that is 21. This is the last test case we are automating anyhow. So I'll say login page dot enter email. I'll just give the email address as, we'll go to the first one, existing email one. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, we have to do this assertion, and that is done. Okay, and when we can copy paste all this stuff then. Okay, otherwise you can copy paste. Why to write all the things again and again? We are verifying that we have navigated the login page, then we are entering the valid email address, valid password, clicking on login button, and we are checking whether we got logged in or not. Okay. Now save this, and to see whether this particular thing is working in all the browsers, what we have to initially in the properties file, Chrome browser is set. Okay. So I'll go to the login.java and run the test to see whether it is working in the Chrome browser or not. It's working in the Chrome browser. Next one, I'll go to this and give Firefox here. Firefox here. Now save this and go to this login.java and run the test to see whether it is working in the Firefox browser or not. The test should also work in the Firefox browser this time. Should be able to log into the application in Firefox browser. Then we are good to go. Yes, done working in the Firefox browser also. Again, I'll go here and give Edge browser here and save this and run the test to see whether it is working in the Edge browser or not. Yeah, it's working in the Edge browser also. Okay. So that means we have successfully automated all the tests related to the login functionality also. This time I'll change it back to the Chrome browser. Save this, close all. Done. Okay, fine. Next what? What's next? All the test cases related to the login functionality were successfully automated here. Okay. We have successfully automated all the tests related to the login functionality. So now we have login and register. Now we have login and register. Together, if you want to run login and register, you can go to the testing.xml file. And here only register was there. Along with that, copy this one and paste this one and change it to login. Okay, now run the test to see whether login functional test and register test functionality test will work together or not. Okay, all the tests related to register functionality and login functionality should run here. Okay, right click here and say run as test ng suite to see whether all the tests related to register and login are working or not. We are going to check here. Okay, if they are failing, also not a problem, but they should fail properly. All the scripts related to the register functionality and login functionality should work together now.
So after this, can you show me navigate back function where we have written July?
Yeah, sure. I'll show
So,
you. I'll show you. In the base class, we have written basically. Okay, so we'll see that. So let's wait until all the tests got run. So currently I'm running in the Chrome browser. Currently I'm running in the Chrome browser. Still the restart on functionality tests are still running. That's okay. After this, the login functionality test also should run.
Yeah, I have seen that course. No need. Thank
You
you.
have seen that code, right, in the base
Yes,
class?
it's in base. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So this will take a bit longer, okay, because each and every field is getting validated here, verified here. So it will take some time, this particular test case. Next one has started already. All the links on the register account page are being verified now one by one. Whether they are getting navigated to the proper pages or not is being verified here. Login tests are now running. After the restart functionality test got executed, now login tests are running now. As per the order that I have given in the testng.xml file. Okay. Whatever the order in which I have given the Java file names in the testng.xml file, the same order in which the test will be running. First I mentioned register there in the testng.xml file. So register test has got executed first. Then I mentioned login. So login tests are now running. Compared to the register account functionalities, login tests will run bit faster because less number of fields are there here and compared to the register account functionality tests. But we have to see if everything is working fine or not. Okay. All the links on the login page are being verified one by one. Today only we have automated this particular test.
Do we running any API live sessions?
At this moment, no, but we are planning so. Okay, I'll let you know.
Sure, sure.
Okay, when I start, I'll let you know. Okay, so mostly in February month I thought of, but I need to see the proper time when I can get started there. Okay,
Okay.
because currently one batch is going on, they're asking me to also take manual testing for them. So I just need to plan properly. Once that is done, will be done. Okay. So anyhow, here you see what test got passed, what test got failed. We have to see here. So if they got failed, they should fail properly. Here, all the tests got passed here. Invalid telephone number, there is a defect in the application, so it will fail. Okay. And the next one, mandatory fields in register account page, privacy policy field, there is no asterisk symbol, it's failing. Verify registering account by entering only spaces. Okay. We should get this message, but we are not getting a message, hence it is failed, that's also fine. Then if you give non-complex passwords, it's creating the account. Okay. So with multiple non-complex type of passwords, we have verified that there is a defect in the application. Verify height with number of characters. It's failing for password field. Okay. It's not adhering to the requirements. Reading and trailing spaces are not removed for these fields. Okay. That is first name, last name, and telephone field. For email, it got removed, but for this fields, it's not getting removed. So verify register account UI. It's failing. Should pass, right? It should pass, but it is failing. We'll rectify this problem. There is no defect in this, but it's still failing. That's okay. And next one. Here everything got passed except verify password is not visible in page source. Verify password is not visible in page source. Password is visible actually, so it's failing. That's okay. Only thing that we have to take care of is the register account UI. Okay. Let's go to the register account UI and modify that. Okay, a bit. Earlier it was working fine. I don't know why it's not working now. And it's better that we'll write this thing in a separate thing. Okay. Did I modify anything here? Actual RA page UI, expected RA page UI, anything I modified, I don't know. But I'll make sure that it works in all the places. Okay. So I'll just remove this part and simply write down else if. It's better to write separate for every browser. So copy this part. I'll check for one by one browser separately and then modify. Okay. First, I'll go with the Chrome browser. In case of the Chrome browser, currently properties file, it's mentioned as Chrome only. I'll go here and first I'll take the expected and here expected RA page UI, actual RA page UI is there. Save this and run this once. For the first time, it will fail. Oh, it's passing for the first time itself. How come? Okay, previous one was already there. Anyhow, it has taken the expected again. Register.java and here I'll change it to actual now. Then it should pass. I don't know why it got failed when I have run the script, but let's see whether it will pass now or not. Okay. Sometimes application may takes a lot of time. Let me press enter again. Is there any problem there? I'll do one thing. I'll just run it again for freshly. Is the application page loading or not? Yeah, it's loading now. It's kind of slow though. That's okay. Yeah, test is passing now. That's fine. Now it's working fine. And go with the Firefox, change it to Firefox here and see whether it is working fine in the Firefox browser or not. Save this Firefox thing and run it for the first time normal way, actual expected old one only I'll run to see whether it is working fine or not. Maybe my internet problem, guys. Okay, it's kind of slow here. Sometimes my net may go down. That's okay. Failing. Just say expected for now. Run this. Maybe the application page is slower and it's not taking the screenshots properly. I'm just thinking so. Let's see. Okay, come back here and write down actual. It's working fine now. Let's go to the restart.java and go with the, I'll just change it to Edge browser here. Save this, come back here and simply run expected Edge. For Edge also I'm making it separate. Copy this and here actual you write. For the first time it will fail though. Okay, second time it should pass because I'll change it to actual here. It should pass. Yeah, it's passing. That's okay. Now all the browsers is passing. I'll just go to the properties file and change it back to Chrome here for a while. Okay, then so we have successfully automated the test related to the login functionality and register account functionality so far. And yeah, these two functionalities we have automated. We have logout functionality next and then search functionality. And during this process, we'll also try to implement some framework concepts also. Let's see. So let's start the logout functionality related test cases. Let's start automating the login functionality test cases. Few logout functionality test cases we'll try to automate today. So first one is verify logging out by selecting logout option from my account drop menu. Okay. Verify logout by selecting logout option from the my account drop menu. So let's see what we can do here. Class logout dot java and here the same steps I need to follow. Let's go to the login.java and then whatever here we have created the web driver. Do the same thing here also you say web driver here. Web driver. Control Shift O, done. Then what the next thing that I have to do? I have to create the before method and after method. Okay. So I'll create that public void setup method. And here write down at the rate before method for the mouse, import it from test.ng library. And here inside this, I need to open the browser and application. In this particular thing only, I'm loading the properties file automatically. Okay. I'm loading the properties file also here itself. Okay. It's public properties. That's okay. While opening the application, open the browser and application page URL only, I'm loading the properties file. Okay. So let's see.
But
So
I
here
think we
I'll
no
copy
need
these
of
lines. I'll copy these
setup.
lines for a while
No need
and
of
see
setup, right, sir, for logout
why we don't need setup.
because it is not a direct page, right?
We'll see. Okay, we'll see whether it is required or not. Okay, public class logout extends base. Okay, we have to say extends base. That's one thing. Over the mouse, import it. Then we can call this methods directly. You get the driver. So if you see the test cases here, open the application URL and user is logged in. It's saying we have to be in logged in state. Okay, how to log in? For logging in, yeah, clicking on my account drop menu, selecting the login option. Okay, to perform the testing of this. Okay, what we have to do? User should be logged in. User should be logged in. Okay. Here user login is not there. Okay. Some places user login is there. Some places it's not there. So what we can do better here is uh, open the application URL. Till here it is fine. You don't have to write this stuff now. Okay. This single line is enough. Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
This single line opening the browser and
Yes.
application page URL, but this setup method will have that only. Okay.
Okay.
Not at the any other stuff. Okay. So, tear down method public void. You see, we have to compare all the steps once and see what are the prerequisites here. Based on that, we can decide, okay? Till where we can write the common steps, we can decide for this before method. That's what I have done just now, okay? Tear down method I'll create and here at the rate after method over the mouse, import it. And here I'll write the same tear down, that is close browser of driver, which is implemented in the base class only. This method is also implemented in the base class, okay? You can find it there, okay? Fine. Then next, we can start automating the logout functionalities, okay? How to automate the logout functionalities? Public void verify logging out, verify logging out using my account logout option. Okay, like this, I'll write a test and test method at the rate test and say priority is equal to 1. Okay, import this from testng library. Then once that is done, so I got the driver here, and what is the next thing that I have to do? I have to log into the application, right? I have to log into the application. How to log into the application? In order to log into the application, is there any direct method I created? Let me find it out. So here pages. So here I'll say header options. Where are the header options here? Header options. Open the header options and see. And option 2, select my account drop menu and then selecting the navigating to the login page. Okay. Navigate to the login page. In this only, I'm just selecting the my account drop menu and all those stuff. Okay. And whether I'm logging into the application is not there here, right? Okay. Is there any direct method for logging into the application directly? Because I don't have to write all these steps again. Is something I'm checking. For that, if I go to the login page, is there any method for that? Log into the application. Navigate to the login page and then log into the application. Okay. First, we need to navigate to the login page and then log into the application by entering these credentials. Okay, that's what I have to do. So there are some methods there. Okay, so first I have to get the header options. How to get the header options here? The same way that I used to get here, the other pages like this. Okay, copy this. Whether you will use the header options or not doesn't matter. But what will happen if I put that in the here in the setup method? If I put, is there any problem? Let's find it out later. Okay, because I'm not doing any activities, right? I'm just getting the header options. Okay, so that is being done in the setup method itself, and in the header options dot navigate to login page. Direct method is there. I don't have to click on my account and then select the login option. Instead, direct method is there. This will return you the object reference of the login page. Login page is equal to, and then have to say login page dot log into the application. Okay, here I have to give the username and password. Okay, prop dot get property. What is the username here? The properties file you go. Let's go to the properties file and existing email. This existing email you give here. The logout.java here. Password also, valid password you have to give. That for that, prop dot get property. Here give the valid password. What is the valid password there? So somewhere here valid password will be there. Just give that valid password. Control C, save this and give that here. Done. Once that is done, once you navigate to the login page and log into the application. Okay. The next one is once you log into the application, first we have to, the prerequisite here is we have to log into the application. User is logged in. Okay. Till there I am verifying. I'm logging into the application using the credentials. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, logging into the application. Once I log into the application, what is the next thing I'm doing? I need to click on my account drop menu and select the logout option. Okay. From the header options, I need to click on my account drop menu and select logout option. Okay. Again here, login page dot get header options. Here I'll say header options is equal to, and simply write down header options dot click on my account drop menu. Then header options dot select sorry dot select logout option. Okay, logout option is already there. Okay, it's already implemented. I don't have to do much. Select log, click on element logout option and logout page will come here. Okay, fine. It's already there. So I'm going to click on the logout option and verify whether user is taken to the account logout page or not. Okay. So when I select the logout option here, whether I am taken to the account logout page or not, I need to verify. User is should be taken to the account logout page. So how to verify that? Hover the mouse on this, logout page is there. Logout page is equal to, that's nothing but the logout page I created or account logout page, whatever you want to say. Logout page. And did we navigate to the logout page or not? Asset dot asset true maybe. Let's try that out. Logout page dot did we? It's not there. Okay. So go to the logout page and see if there is a method which will verify whether we got navigated to the account logout page. I don't think there is a method for that. So I'll create a web element first, private web element, web element. Okay, first this one will verify whether user should be taken to the account logout page. So public void logout breadcrumb. I'll create the thing for the logout breadcrumb. So control F double forward slash UL at the rate class is equal to, just give that breadcrumb here and say double forward slash anchor tag text function is equal to logout. So this will locate the logout breadcrumb. Copy this XPath expression, which is locating the logout breadcrumb. I'll simply say logout page breadcrumb at the rate find by XPath is equal to, give the XPath expression of the logout page breadcrumb, control shift O. Now create a method for this. Public void did we navigate to account logout page. Okay, like this I'll create a method and here write down element utilities dot click on element sorry, not click on element utilities dot is element displayed, that is logout breadcrumb is displayed or not. I'll simply say return and here I'll say boolean value. That's it, done. Save this, come back here and simply write down dot did we navigate to the account logout page. Okay, done. Once verified that, what is the next thing that I need to verify here? And user should be taken to the, user should see login option in place of logout option. What does it mean? Here login option, when I click on the my account drop menu, I should get the login option instead of the logout option. Okay, how to verify that? Here logout page dot get header options. I need to get the header options here. Header options is equal to, copy this and simply say click on my account drop menu. Then here click on my icon drop menu, and we have to see whether login option is being displayed or not. Okay. How to verify that login option is coming or not? Assert dot, assert true again, header options dot, is login option displayed like that, I have to say. Okay. So for that, go to the header options page. Is there any web element for login option? Yes, that is login. Is it displayed or not? Did we create a method for that anywhere? Let's find it out. Select login option is only there, but is it displayed or not is not there. So I'll create a method here, public void, okay, is login option under my account drop menu displayed. Okay. So here I'll say element utilities dot is element displayed. That is nothing but login option. Put a semicolon here and say return and say boolean value. Now create a boolean value here. Save this. Go back to the logout.java here and simply write down header options dot is login option under my account drop menu display. Done. And there is one more thing, that logout option should not be displayed, should not be there. Okay. User should, if login is there, automatically logout will not be there. We don't have to verify that though. So we can directly go to the next step. We have to click on the continue button on the account logout page. It's better we click on the continue button on the account logout page. How to click on the continue button on the account logout page? Header options dot get. Okay. Header options dot get account success page is there here. Here account logout page. Get account success page. Get footer options. Get header options. Get pay. Okay. Right column options. But to get the account logout page, we don't have anything where we are implementing all those stuff. Go to the root page here. See, based on the requirements, we are getting the account success page. Similarly, copy this and just write down here. What is the page here? Account logout page. Account logout page. Get account logout page. Logout page. I think that's it. I think it's mentioned as logout page, so it's not account logout page, just logout page. For the mouse, import this from pages package. That's it. Save this. And here write down dot get account logout page for the mouse, and you'll get logout page. Logout page is equal to, once I do that, I need to click on the continue button on the logout page. Dot dot click on it's not there. Okay, click on continue button is not there. Go to the logout page here. Logout page. Create a web element for that continue button. Private web element. Click on continue button, I'll say. Continue button. And here write down find by xpath is equal to, give the xpath expression of the continue button here. Inspect this. Copy this. Control F double forward slash a text function is equal to continue. Is it locating only continue button? Yes. Copy this xpath expression of the continue button and come back here and paste it here. That's it. Now public void, click on continue button action method I'm going to create for this web element in this page class. So I'll simply say element utilities, click on element, that is continue button. Okay. When I click on the continue button, what will happen? It will take you to which page? Home page. Okay. It's going to take you to the home page. Okay. So here what we are verifying, user should be taken to the home page. Okay. So here I need to say home page is there. Yeah, home page is there. Return new, home page, and then pass a driver here. Then pass a driver, put a semicolon here. and copy this home page and paste it here. Now save this and go to the logout and say logout page dot. Click on continue button and you'll get the object reference as return type as home page. Okay, just write home page here. Then we have to verify whether we have navigated to the home page. Asset dot asset true. Home page dot did we home page dot. Okay, so here I need to verify whether I have navigated to the home page. For that, what is the thing that I have created here is the base class. You can get the title of the page and where is that? Get page title method we need to call. Here asset equals I'll say, and here I'll write down get page title of logout page dot get driver. Okay, then one, two, three. Okay, put a comma here and say your store. Your store should come. Okay, that's fine. If it matches, then we are on the home page. Okay, so that's what we have to verify. Right? You should be taken to the home page. We have to verify at the end. That's done. Okay, so let's see whether this particular thing is working fine or not. Okay, let's run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Let's run it. We have successfully automated the first test case of the logout functionality, and now let's see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, should launch Chrome browser, then maximize the browser, open the application page URL, log into the application, log out, verify, and it's working perfectly fine. Okay, it's working perfectly fine. Logout.java. First test case is already automated now. Okay, now let's move to the second test case. Verify logging out by selecting logout option from the right column. Here, by selecting the my account drop menu option. Here, right column options. Okay, first we have to user is logged in and is on account page. Yeah. Okay, so that's fine. Then click on logout option from the right column options and click on the continue button. And the same things we have to verify here. Whatever we verified here should be verified here. Almost same guys. It will not take much time. Public void verify logging out using account. Right column options. Okay, right column, right column, logout option. Almost same. Small difference will be there. Here write down at the rate test. Priority is equal to 2. And here first we have to log into the application. Okay, navigate to the login page, log into the application. First thing we have to do is these two lines. Okay, once you log into the applications, the login page. Okay, here. Okay, here we have to do one thing is here my account page we have to get my account page is equal to. Now here write down my account page dot get header options and then do this stuff. Okay, this is better way. Here also my account page to give you the object reference of the my account page. Once you are on the my account page is equal to, now copy this my account page and here I need to get. So once you log into the application, where you will be the my account page. Okay, so here you will be taken to the my account page. Once you are taken to the my account page, I have to select the logout option from the right column options. For that I'll say my account page dot get right column options. So it will return you the object reference of the right column options. Right column options is equal to, copy this and simply write down right column option dot select or click on logout option on the right column options. Okay, have to click on the logout option here, and the same thing here. It should return you the object reference of the account logout page. Yes, it's already returning. Account logout page is equal to, what is the next thing once I get this? It's returning the object reference of the account logout page. Here logout page is there, account logout page is there. Huh? Yeah, two things are there. That's not correct, nah. Already the things are there. Okay, why am I unnecessarily using these two pages here? Okay, why there is a duplication? I thought maybe that was not there, and then I would have created. Okay. In the account logout page, what are the elements we have? Logout page, breadcrumb, and continue button here. Continue button is already there. That's okay. So we can have this continue button here. Next thing here is we'll maintain the account logout page instead of we'll delete the logout page here. That got duplicated somehow. Breadcrumb. Here, this is the breadcrumb. And then what about the methods? Click on continue button. These are the things. Copy these 3 items and click on continue button is already there. And extra 2 methods are there. I'll just copy paste here. And then this method is not required anymore. Save this. And this class is not required. Delete this. So then we'll get the errors somewhere and we have to rectify the errors at the proper places. The base.java, some error is coming. That is account logout page is equal to, it's better to write in a proper way. Why to duplicate? Okay. Account logout page. Okay. It's already there. Done. Save this. Once I save this, the errors are gone from this. In the still base.java, some errors are there. Where are the errors? Control Shift O. Save all. Errors got removed from that base.java and go to the login.java now. The login.java where the errors are available here. Here, account. Here I have to say select logout option. Should return you the object reference of the account logout page. Account logout page. Copy this, paste here. Okay, that's it. Save this. One thing is gone. Now here should get the account logout page. Copy this. Account logout page dot get driver. Account logout page dot get driver. Account logout page dot get login page. Then that's it. Save all. Are the errors gone in this login.java? Yes. Go to the logout.java and here select logout option. Just open this and it's anyhow returning the account logout page only. Come back here and simply write down account logout page. Copy this. Simply write down account logout page, account logout page. Here account logout page, account logout page, account logout page. Now save all. Header options dot. Here account logout page, account logout page. Save all. For the mouse, import this. Control Shift O. Save all. Any errors are there? I think all the errors are gone now. It should be fine now. Okay. So there was some duplication. I have rectified that problem. So we now have the account logout page and we can do whatever you want. Navigate to the login page, navigate to the, okay. Then my account, click on the logout option. We should get the account logout page. And after you get the account logout page here, okay. Click on logout option. Then we have to verify whether we have navigated to the account logout page or not. Okay. Here we have to see user should be taken to the account logout page. So for that, I'll just copy paste this line. Account logout page dot did we navigate? And after that, the next things are users should see the login option. To see the login option, you'll get the header options using account logout page. And then select these options and is login option under my account is displayed or not. Okay. It should be there. Then after that, header options dot account logout page. Then click on continue button and we have to be taken to the home page. Okay, all the things are same. You have to click on the continue button. We should be taken to the home page. Okay, all the things are good. So we have successfully automated second test case and we have rectified some problems that were there. Some duplicate page classes were created. I have deleted one of them and things should work fine now for us. Is it working fine? Yes, it's perfectly working fine. You see, third test case cannot be automated. The third test cannot be automated, guys. I told you the reason already. So some test cases cannot be automated. Here I'm closing the browser. Okay, and then verifying something. Close the browser and without logging out. and open the browser and navigate. Okay, this kind of test case cannot be automated. Once you close the browser with the help of Selenium automation, session cannot be maintained. This should be verified manually, and this test case cannot be automated. Okay. Now let's go to the fourth one. As I already explained in the login, the same thing is there in the logout also. Such kind of test cases cannot be automated. Okay, so we'll go to the fourth test case. Verify logging out and browsing back. Okay, and there are other test cases also. So guys, we'll carry forward these test cases in the next session onwards. Like we completed till three test cases, in which two can be automated, three cannot be automated. Third one cannot be automated in the login functionality, and there are other test cases that I need to automate here. So very less number of test cases. Okay. So maybe I'm planning that in the next week, we'll continue this logout functionality test cases where we'll automate this on one weekend, and the next weekend we'll implement some framework concepts like listeners, extend reports, and all those stuff. Okay. That's the plan. So we'll move to the next level. Along with the logout functionality test case automation, we'll also, improve the framework and take it to the next level. Okay. That's the plan. So any questions, guys? Anyone have any questions from today's session? Anyone have any questions from today's session?
No, sir.
Framework Cucumber, sir. Framework implementation means.
Yes. Yeah, we will go slowly there. Okay, it'll take some time. Okay, it's on the cards. It is there, but the time will come when we go there. Okay,
Okay.
because we still have some other framework concepts in TestNG hybrid framework to be implemented. Okay, so once everything is completed, once we don't have anything to be implemented, then we'll go for the Cucumber BDD. Okay,
Okay. Sir.
sure. I'll push the code to the local repo.
Sir, will you teach this Jenkins integration as
Yes,
well?
I'll be teaching that. Yes, I'll be teaching. Not in depth, but how to configure and all, and how to run the scripts from Jenkins and all. We'll show once. Okay, that's it. Okay, but I'll not teach the
Okay.
concepts of Jenkins. This is live implementation, right? So
Okay.
here concepts will not be taught, but how to just go forward with that, I'll be using. Okay, simple.
Okay.
The concepts will be only explained in the training sessions only. Okay, not here. Okay, so this is for live implementation. Okay, the code has been now pushed. The GitHub repo. Just Google search like Arun Motor GitHub. You get the repositories in that. Find this live automation implement project one, and here the entire code will be there. Okay. So yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a problem in the test NG. I have dropped a message in the group.
You have problem with what?
Test NG.
You didn't get any replies from
No,
anyone.
no
Did
one.
someone try with no
One
change?
is the
Checking
same
maybe
that I
because
have
someone
changed.
testing.
Yes, I
Hmm.
have checked, but this not an issue related that.
Okay. So
The
Eclipse
here is the same.
Marketplace, TestNG for Eclipse ID. Uninstall this one once.
I have uninstalled again, installed two, three
From where
times.
you are installing? What is the process of you installing the TestNG plugin?
The first I have watched the first session from your side, given this,
Hmm.
and I have installed it.
Okay, so you went to the
The same.
TestNG documentation place, and then
Yes,
using by giving that you have installed. Okay,
yes. And here is not showing the test ng
where it is not showing.
here in the configuration, run configuration. to configure the run for
But here
the.
only it should show now, first of all.
Yes, because not
Run
showing.
as run as Java application, it will directly come, okay? But here why main method is there?
I had this is the method which I have. I'm checking something to.
Can you remove that main method and see whether it is coming or not? Or comment that part at least, main method part, and try once. Okay.
Give me 1 second. I have opened it and I will do that right now.
Your test change will be there, that's okay, but
No, it's not showing, sir.
what is this reverse words? Public static. Why static? You are writing for test change test methods. You are writing static methods.
Yes.
Should not write static there. Remove that static also. Public return type also should not be there. Public void should be there. Okay. So you are practicing something else. Okay. You are not practicing whatever I taught. Something else you are practicing and you're not getting. See if you are getting with whatever I was actually practicing. Okay. I was explaining. Okay. You are doing something else and then you are trying. In that case, you are not getting because there is a return type here. There is a static keyword here. Different stuff. Okay. You're in a different zone actually. Okay. So
No, sir.
try with one of the things that I have covered in my automation and see if it is not coming. Let me know. Okay.
So that's not the issue. Just the verifying something and
Okay.
checking that does the
Yeah,
test
yeah.
engine comes
You
or
just
not.
take my suggestions and try once again today. Okay. So see, like from scratch, whatever I have automated, right? That you try to automate and see if you are getting test engine option or not. If the same things that I have shown you, if you are automating and if you are not getting, then let me know. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So fine. Any other questions? Anyone? Does anyone have any other questions here? Okay then.
So next session will be on Saturday, Sunday.
Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, same
Got it.
timing, sir.
Same timings, 11 a.m. will start. Okay, depending on the topic, I may take minimum 1.5 hour to 3 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Arun sir, I have sent you my resume. Can you please check and let me know?
Yeah, sure. I'll check in my free time. Okay, I was kind of busy. I'll check. Okay, in my free time. Okay, okay, fine,
Bye bye.
fine then. See you guys. See you in the next weekend. Okay, take care. Bye everyone. Practice well. Bye.